Hey guys, it's Nilly's daughter Tiana, and today I'm going to be voiceovering my mom's makeup tutorial. And I know nothing about makeup, so I'm pretty nervous, but I'll try my best. Okay, so I'm guessing that she's going to put on this lotion thing and moisturize her face and just stretch out her face and massage her face. Then she's going to put on this pink thing under her eye and just blend it in and on her cheekbones and blend it in as well. And then she's gonna grab the sponge and just massage. Why am I keep saying massage? I'm so sorry. Then she's gonna be grabbing this thing and she's gonna be putting it on her face, and it's not her skin tone, but she's using it anyways. Then she's gonna bring out the spongy again, and then she's just gonna blend it out. Now she's moving on to eyebrows, and her eyebrows are on fleek, bold, and fierce, and like I have a unibrow over here, and she just makes her eyebrows look really nice. Like, Mom, can you do my eyebrows? But yeah, she just basically used two different pencils to fill in her eyebrows and just to make them look good. Now we're back to concealer, I think, and oh my god, you guys use a lot of concealer when you guys doing makeup. I didn't know that you guys use a lot, but she's just putting it on and just blending it under her eye, and she's just blending it and making sure that it looks good and make sure it's all blended. And I think she's applying more, and she's just gonna blend some more, and she's putting it in different places now. She's putting it on her nose, above her lip, and just her chin, and she's just blending it. And now she's using a darker shade now. She's putting it on her cheekbones and like near her edges and on her nose to make it skinnier. You know, you have to have that skinny nose. And she's just blending it in, you know. And yeah, just blending it with different brushes to make life easier. And she's using a powder now. She's just blending it in with the spongy. The spongy is always handy, you know, when you're blending something in. Now she's basically using baby powder because that is so white, but she's putting it on her cheekbones. And she's using some contour and she's putting it on her cheekbones as well. Now she's just blending it because you have to blend it right, because if you don't, then you'll look weird. Now she's using this spray and drying it with paper now, and she's using this paint. I don't know, it looks like paint, but she's just putting it on her crease, and now she's blending it with her finger, but thank God it looks better now. And now she's using this palette and using this beige color and putting it on her crease. For some reason this is oddly satisfying, but I love it. And now she's using this like burgundy color, or like just like orange color, and just putting it like on her crease. And yeah, just blending it out. And now she's using this glittery color, and oh my god, I've lived for it. Oh my gosh. Now she's using a burgundy color and just applying it on the corner of her crease. I don't know. And then she's just using the beige color again and just applying it on her crease again, and using this like really white eyeshadow and just putting it like on under her eyebrow, and using the beige color again and just putting it like at the edge of her lashes. Now she's adding the same eyeshadow in her crease, and now we're moving on to blush. And she's looking cute and nice, applying the blush, looking nice, flawless. And now she's gonna add some glow. You know, everyone needs that glow when they're doing makeup. So you're just gonna add the glow and just add it underneath your nose and stuff. And we're back with the spray. And we're gonna just dry it with the paper again. Now she's just doing some touch-ups with the sponge, you know what I mean. And now she's going to do some mascara, and she just put her lashes on, and she's just applying mascara to her lashes, and she's just adding something to her crease. I think it makes it look cute and white, I don't know. And now she's applying some lipstick on her lips, you know, it's like a beige color. And oh my god, that lights up. I'm stealing that later. But she's just applying that to her lips. It's the same color, just a little bit pink and stuff. So here's the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I did pretty good for my voiceover, just not the best. And make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in future videos. Bye!